around the Lakshmi is the valency of dharma. There is around the Lakshmi is the dharma. And this dharma, if you cross, that's the best place where they can cross the dharma. Then you can do whatever you like, which is adharmi, which is irreligious, which is hideous. You have to just cross that limit of dharma. You have to just deviate from dharma. Now, as I said many a times, that there are 10 valencies human beings have got. But apart from that, there are many dharmas which are surrounding it, like angels. Like first dharma is your love for humanity. Is the first dharma. But if you say from that end when you start, it starts with Stri Dharma. Is the dharma of the woman. How she should live, how she should get married, how she should look after her children, what should be her behavior, all is Stri Dharma. And then is Patni Dharma, is the wife Dharma. What should be her dharma? In her dharma she looks nice. If she gives up her dharma, then she is a prostitute. So then is Pati Dharma. How should be a husband? How should he behave towards his family? How should he pay attention towards his wife? About the whole entire family, the whole, you can say, parivar as they call it, the whole, all the relations and everyone. That is his dharma. But beyond that is the dharma of Satya Dharma. How much he sticks to truth. Then the dharma for creativity. In creativity, as you know very well these days, with money people are standing on their heads, or I don't know what they are doing, because the amount of nonsense they are producing all over the world in the name of modernism is no way is Kala Dharma. No way. Then we have also what you call politics. Raj, Karan, Dharma. This also dharma is there. Now, taking bribes, the kind of things that are going on. Corruption, all kinds of things that are going on, competition and fighting and all that. They are falling from their dharma of Rajkaran. Education, same thing. We call it Shikshana. All such things are dharmas. There is a kind of a principle which we have to keep. Otherwise, we can topple down from the lotus. And that's what happens. Now we have also Rashtra Dharma. The Rashtra Dharma is that your country. There's a dharma of your Rashtra. When you have to fight for your country, you should, but you should not be aggressive on other countries, not try to dominate other countries, nor you should bring bad name to your country. It's very important. Sahajogis have all these intact. Absolutely. Because you are standing on the lotuses already. You don't have this problem. Normally, no. Once in a while there are people who behave like that. But mostly Sahajogis don't fall into these traps. That's why their Lakshmi Tattva will definitely improve. They'll have little problems here and there. But without problems, if you get Lakshmi, you will not have value for her. So, with little problems, you get the Lakshmi. But Lakshmi doesn't give you all this imbalance. Such a man has to be extremely balanced, because beyond that is the step of Mahalakshmi, where your seeking starts, where you become a seeker. You go beyond Lakshmi principle, and this Mahalakshmi principle starts coming into it.